Welcome to the Engineering Update. I'm Casey Panetta, Managing Editor of ECN. In this week's episode, an Earth-like planet, solar-powered benches for portable electronics, and a buoy that detects sharks. A team from the University of New South Wales, led by Robert Wittenmyer, has discovered a potentially habitable super-Earth located 16 light-years away. The planet, which was found near the red dwarf star Gliese 832, has been named Gliese 832c. The planet was found to be one of the top 3 most Earth-like planets according to the Earth Similarity Index, along with Gliese 667c and Kepler 62e. The newly added planet has a 36-day orbital period and a mass that is 5 times that of Earth. Plus, it gets about the same average energy from the sun. Researchers aren't sure if the planet is really habitable, since super-Earths often have dense atmospheres, which makes them too hot for any life. If that turns out to be the case, this planet will swap its super-Earth status for super-Venus status. Gliese 832c is the best candidate for a habitable planet thus far, but it's also subject to large seasonal shift and unknown properties like bulk composition and atmosphere that could jeopardize its status.
Road warriors in their zeal to keep their portable devices topped off have probably come across the various recharging stations that litter airports and other highly trafficked areas. Well, if these weary travelers find themselves in select Boston public parks, they might discover a rather unique way to keep their iPhones at full juice. An MIT Media Lab spinoff by the name of Changing Environments is installing what they called Soofas, or solar-powered benches, at Boston City parks, including Titus Sparrow Park in the South End, the Boston Common, and the Rose Kennedy Greenway. Cisco is funding the bench's installation, and each Soofa will come equipped with a rectangular-shaped box with solar panels on top and ports for recharging your portable electronics on the side. The company calls the benches smart urban furniture, and the little Soofas also upload environmental sensor data to Soofa.co, but left unsaid is how efficient these solar recharging stations actually are. Personally, I own several recharging systems that take a disproportionate amount of time to provide a bit of juice to your phone or portable device, but I suppose it works if you just want to top it off or presumably make a call or text while it charges.
With several great white sightings off the coast of New Jersey and the 4th of July weekend coming up, sharks are a growing concern. With an average of 4 fatal shark attacks worldwide each year, only about 12 of the 500 known shark species are known to attack humans, with white, tiger, and bull sharks being responsible for more than half of all attacks. Florida, Australia, Hawaii, South Africa, and South Carolina are the areas reporting the most attacks. Some of the beaches have shark nets, but they're often ineffective, not to mention they're dangerous to other marine life. Researchers at an Australian tech firm have recently come up with a potential solution called the Clever Buoy, designed to emit sonar signals from a buoy anchored to the seabed by a box. The buoy uses a processor to analyze the returning sonar signals. The crazy part is that researchers have designed the technology so that it is capable of recognizing shark-shaped objects. Just in case you're worried about this thing catching your friendly neighborhood flipper and launching a false alarm, the buoy can also recognize the different swimming patterns that separate a shark from a dolphin or porpoise. Once the buoy identifies a threat, it sends a signal to a smartphone so a lifeguard can call everyone out of the water before anyone gets hurt. The buoys, which would be lined up parallel with the shore, are a little different from currently used sonar-based systems because those systems can only detect sharks that have been tagged. So far, it's been successfully used at the Sydney Aquarium and on a few Australian islands, but researchers are hoping to have it on the market by next year. That's all for this week's video. Be sure to check in on Twitter and Facebook and view past episodes at ecnmag.com. For the ECN channel, I'm Casey Panetta, and this has been your Engineering Update.